Hey there, wanderlusters and adventure seekers. Ever wished you could have a travel assistant who never sleeps, never complains, and always knows what's best for your trip? Well, buckle up because today we're diving into the world of AI trip planners. That's right, technology is here to save the day and make your next adventure seamless, stress-free, and downright magical. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to plan the perfect day trip or vacation day using AI tools, step by step. And hey, you might even discover your new favorite travel app. Gone are the days of paper maps and questionable advice from that guy on TripAdvisor who seems to hate everything. AI trip planners are like your super smart travel buddy without the snoring. First things first, you'll need an AI trip planner. There are plenty to choose from, each with its unique strengths. Let's break it down for you. ChatGPT, ideal for brainstorming and getting personalized suggestions. Think of it as your brainstorming buddy. Just type, "What are the top activities in this city?" and watch it work its magic. Google Bard. This one's like your overachieving cousin. It pulls live information directly from the web, which is perfect for up-to-date details about events, weather, and more. Roam Around, a dedicated AI trip planning app that focuses on building tailored itineraries with minimal effort on your part. PlanMyTrip.AI. This app specializes in helping you craft full itineraries based on your preferences and budget. Pick your poison, or in this case, your algorithm. Don't worry, none of these apps will judge you for choosing all-you-can-eat tacos over a museum tour. Next up, decide what kind of day you want. Are you in the mood for adventure, relaxation, food, or maybe all three? Here's a quick hack. Tell the AI your exact vibe. For example, type this into your AI planner. Plan a relaxing day in Barcelona with a focus on beach time, tapas, and a sunset view. Or, I'm looking for an adventurous day in Tokyo with quirky cafes, a samurai museum, and local street food. The more specific you are, the better the results. Trust me, AI isn't great at reading minds, yet. Once you've shared your goals, the AI will generate a list of activities. This is where the fun begins. Some tools like Google Bard will even provide real-time event recommendations. Be sure to ask about lesser-known gems too. Here's a pro tip. Ask the AI something like, "What are the hidden gems in Paris for art lovers?" Or, "Find me the best local restaurants near the Sydney Opera House." You can mix and match the suggestions or go full send with the AI's itinerary. It's your day, you're the boss. Now it's time to schedule your day. Use tools like Google Calendar. Copy and paste your itinerary into time slots to keep things organized. Bonus, it'll send you reminders. Wanderlog, a fantastic app for visually organizing your entire trip. It'll map out your day, showing travel times between destinations. Notion. If you're into aesthetic productivity, Notion is perfect for building a clean, shareable itinerary. Pro tip, leave some buffer time. Nobody wants to sprint from the Louvre to a croissant shop. Trust me, I've tried. It's not glamorous. Before you hit the road, double-check everything. Is there rain in the forecast? Do you need reservations for that Michelin-starred restaurant? Apps like Google Maps can help with transportation logistics, while apps like OpenTable make snagging reservations a breeze. And don't be shy to ask your AI for last-minute tweaks. It's like having a travel concierge in your pocket. Finally, remember that no plan is perfect. Sometimes the best moments happen when you stray from the itinerary. AI can give you structure, but the magic of travel comes from the unexpected. Stay curious, stay flexible, and most importantly, have fun. You deserve it. There you have it, the ultimate guide to planning your perfect day with AI trip planners. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, subscribe to AtlasIQ, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech-savvy travel tips. Oh, and drop a comment below. What destination are you planning to explore next? Until next time, happy exploring.